Did you have a good time? Did you have a good time? He has an allergy to milk. He has an allergy to milk. Do you like it here? Do you like it here? See you later. See you later. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Whose room is this? Whose room is this? What do you think? What do you think? Do you like Mexican food? Do you like Mexican food? Do you want to sit down? Do you want to sit down? You are looking sharp. You are looking sharp. What are you worried about? What are you worried about? Has he come yet? Has he come yet? Thank you in advance. Thank you in advance. Do you make breakfast yourself? Do you make breakfast yourself? It's up to you. It's up to you. Do you like your new shoes? Do you like your new shoes? They are all the same. They are all the same. How's it going? How's it going? You look pale. You look pale. How much? How much? You are a genius. You are a genius. What sort of medicine do you take? What sort of medicine do you take? You can make it. You can make it. Will you be here at 10 o'clock tomorrow? Will you be here at 10 o'clock tomorrow? We moved into a new house. We moved into a new house. What did you do last night? What did you do last night? Do we need to bring anything? Do we need to bring anything? Why not? Why not? I have a suggestion. I have a suggestion. Can I see your brother? Can I see your brother?